My name is Javed Khan. I'm head of education here at Muslim Hands headquarters. I've just been asked to give some input or some information about our schools in Pakistan and what's happening there exactly. Well, we have over 100, 120 odd schools globally, and in Pakistan a large number, well over 100 are in Pakistan. We have various types of schools. We have schools of excellence, we have model schools, and we have community schools, and we have an educational complex as well, which is in Wazirabad, which also has residentials, masjid, and caters for all facilities for orphans, so that this all that is important for them is their schooling, and the rest of them is catered for. Our schools are flourishing, they are thriving, they are doing well. We are now looking at new initiatives for our schools as well. We have teacher training, we have an AST program with our schools where we have advanced skills teachers who are trained, and then they train their colleagues and they train clusters of schools. Alhamdulillah, that's going very well as well. We have around about 50 of those ASTs in Pakistan. So Alhamdulillah, that is important and crucial, that quality of learning is always part of our agenda in the educational program, and so the AST program is very important. I think I'll finish there and I'll update you later again, inshallah.